Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marilyn, and today I'm going to be doing a mini unboxing video, and it is from Influenster. And this is actually a prize that I won, so I don't have to review it, but I wanted to open it with you guys because this is the first time I win anything from Influencer. So that's what I'm going to be unboxing today, and this is what the box looks like. Okay, so let's open it up.
It's really tight. That's what she said.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. It comes with a card and it says congrats.
Hello, Rockstar. There's really no other way to say this. You're the best. We're so excited for you to enjoy this amazing prize. You earned it. Thanks for making Influencer the best community of product lovers in the world. Enjoy your well-deserved prize, and don't forget to show it off on social using #InfluencerChamp. Remember, there are always new opportunities to earn more rewards with Influencer, so keep following and engaging with us on social. And don't forget to review and ask questions. Keep rocking the Influencer team.
So yeah, that's how I won this prize, because I'm always commenting and I'm always on the Influencer app. So here is my prize. It is from bareMinerals. It is a statement matte liquid lip color in the shade Juicy. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm super excited. I've never owned a bareMinerals lipstick. So I guess I won this bareMinerals liquid lipstick because I was in the campaign for bareMinerals for the Blemish Rescue foundation and concealer. So yeah. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, this is so pretty, you guys. Look at that. So it's a really cute liquid lipstick. I'm gonna be swatching it for you guys. This is what the applicator looks like. This is a really pretty color. It looks like a watermelon red or something. Look at that, so pretty. So I'm really happy that I got this. Juicy Matte. So this is a matte liquid lipstick. I'm so excited. I can't wait to wear this on my lips. So thank you, Influencer and bareMinerals. I'm really happy that I got this. And yeah, you guys should definitely check out Influencer because they give out cool stuff. This is the first time I actually win a prize. So hopefully I win more now that I know it's because I've been commenting and sharing more stuff on social media, and I'm always on the Influencer app asking questions and answering questions. So yeah, you guys should definitely check them out. I will be linking the link in the description box. It's completely free to join. And yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my prize. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.